NGNE stock analysis Friday. Am I buying? Am I not? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And looking at Neurogene stock, after like a big correction, I'm seeing some greenery, so that's cool. I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything. And looking back at NGNE, with a market for around 500M, from a day/swing trade perspective, this would only make sense for me, at least, if it's volatile enough. Here I'm seeing some movements up, which is again not with nothing, so that's cool. And ideally, like in an ideal world for me, double break only would call about here, $24 and over. If not, I would just not care, you know. So obviously we'll keep you updated, and this is going to be like a daily chart overview. Like it's not going to be something that I'm like gonna day trade unless there's like a good, really good, for example, like this opportunity right here, like 30-minute chart. As long as the price kind of, it doesn't even have to come this low, but like if I see my rules met and there's a proper double break, then and only then I'm gonna take things up. If not, I'm just not gonna be forcing anything. So let's stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.